that it is National Grape Popsicle Day.
What? Alright, I'm going fishing.
It's my great-grandmother's birthday.
Oh!
We have no bills today.
Ow! Yeah, so this crazy tornado outside, we had to hide in the basement.
I know, it was scary.
No! Not now!
It's so easy to forget to celebrate the little things. This summer, let us attune ourselves to the good things around us like diversity, unity, promise, and new life. Let's take the time to look to God, look to one another, and celebrate.